Okay, so enough said. Pipat, welcome to the class, Pipat. Pipat has been absent for some days now. I hope you were okay. Okay. So I will call your names and you will answer. I am here, teacher, if you can hear me. So let's go take our class attendance now. And I think if I say Ratasat, Ratasat will say, I am here, teacher. Oh, Ratasat. Okay. All right, let us see if Ratasat will say that. Okay. Matt, number one, Ratasat, are you there? Ratasat? Oh, Ratasat is not here today. Okay. Addison, are you there? Addison? Okay, I'm here, good. Next, Prasad, is Prasad there?
I am here.
Good, Prasad, I like that. I am here. Piraya, are you there? Oh, Piraya. Okay, Piraya is not. I think Piraya is having issues with her internet. I think Piraya's internet is not good. Number, I think this is 4. 4, yes. Number 4, Tanupat. Is Tanupat there?
Yeah.
Okay, yes, I am there. Oh, I'm here. Okay. Tankun, are you there, Tankun?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay, Tankun, thank you. Pipat, is people there? Oh, Pipat. Okay, Pipat. Next, Tachikon. Is Tachikon there?
I'm here.
Okay, Tachikon. Oh, I used the T for Tachikon. Okay. Next, Nawapat. Is Nawapat there?
I am here.
Good, Nawapat. I like the energy. I am here. Good. Next, Sirapop. Is Sirapop there? Sirapop, are you there?
I'm here.
Okay, I'm here. Good. Next, Anisara, are you there?
I'm here.
Good. Arena, are you there, Arena?
Yeah.
Yes, I am here. Good. Tanya, is Tanya there? Oh, Tanya, are you there? I guess Sarah is not there. Next, Ratanapa. Is Ratanapa there?
I'm here.
Good, Ratanapa. Ponyavi. Is Ponyavi there? Ponyavi, are you there? No. Jutapon. Is Jutapon there? Jutapon, Japan. Uh-oh. Jutapon is not here again. I hope she's okay. Next, Anada. It's another there. Anada. What's Anada? Okay, I'm here. I got you.
Yeah.
Right. I heard you, Anada. I heard you. Next, Emily. Is Emily there?
I am here.
Good, Emily. Next, Patsacon. Is Patsacon there?
I'm here.
Okay. Next is Chutikan. Is Chutikan there? Oh, Chutikan.
Yeah.
Okay. Next is Pastoralai. Bonus. Are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Good, Bonus. Next one there will be Nitikan. Is Nitikan there?
Yes, I'm here.
Good, Nitikan. Okay, Nitikan is no name. Gotcha. All right. So those that are not here, I would say the names one more time. We have number 1, Ratasat. Is Ratasat here now? Ratasat? No. Okay. Number 3, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4, it's Piraya here. Piraya? No, that's strange. Next is that would be Chania. Is Chania here now? Chania?
I'm here.
Okay, Chania. Good. Chania is here now. Next is Panawi. Is Panawi here?
Yeah. I'm here.
Okay, Panawi is there. Next is Jutapon. Is Jutapon there? Jutapon, are you there? No, Jutapon is not here yet. Okay, so I will go back to Piraya. Piraya, are you here now?
Yes, I am here, teacher.
Okay, Piraya, welcome to the class one more time. Okay, so we will leave. I think others are not here. So we'll just leave this and go back to what we have here. Yes. Yesterday, I think that was health, right? We had an assignment. I gave you a homework to do an exercise, take a photo, and send to me. What happened, Addison? What happened to your exercise, Addison? Why did you not do? I said do an exercise. You could do some sit-up, 1, 2, 3, and take a photo and send to me. It's not difficult. It's not difficult. Tankun, why did you not send the photo of your exercise? What happened?
I didn't exercise.
Okay, so that's the idea. So you should exercise, okay? Maybe today,
Hold me outside.
You don't have to exercise outside. You can do your exercise in your living room, in your bedroom, Tankun. You don't have to go outside, okay? You can do push-ups. Put your hands down and do 1, 2, 3. You don't have to go outside for that, Tankun. Okay? You can do the bicycle. Do 1, 2, 3, like that. There's a lot of exercise to do. Okay? So do one and take a photo and send to me. Do you understand? Do you understand? Okay. Yes. Honorary mention, Emily did her exercise and some others, okay? So please, if you've not done, you can do your exercise and send to me. Note, you don't have to go outside. You can do your exercise in your living room, in your bedroom, in your bathroom. If you can do it in your bathroom, anywhere, okay? Okay, so let's go to what we have today. We have math, okay? I hope you have your maths workbook and the textbook. Oh, please remember, I think we have math tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow we will take a test in the maths, okay? Tomorrow we will take a test. I would ask you questions and you will answer my questions to get your points. Okay, what did I say tomorrow? What are we doing tomorrow in maths?
We will have tests.
Okay, we will take a test tomorrow in maths. I will give you an idea. Okay, the question, if you go to your workbook, you will see what we call the mastery practice. Can you see that? The mastery practice. That will be the first one. It's on page 17. The mastery practice. We will take the mastery practice on page 17 and page 31. Your test questions will be from the mastery practice on page 17 and the mastery practice on page 31. Okay, so I would say please study. So when I ask you the question, you will be able to say the answer. Okay, so please study page 17, 18, 19, page 17 to 18, and page 31 to page 33. Okay, page 31 to page 33. Okay, so please remember that. Tomorrow we have math test and we will do the mastery practice on page 17 to 18 and page 31 to page 33. Okay, so for today, we will study combined fractions, okay? That will be on page, where is that? Fractions. Fractions will be, yes, combined operations of fractions, sorry. Combined operations of fractions. Where can you see that? It's on page 35, math textbook. In your math textbook, you can see that on page 35. Are you there? Can you see it, Emily? Page 35. Okay. Bonus, can you see page 35? Good. Irina, can you see it on page 35? Page 35, are you there? Okay. Addison, can you see on page 35? Page 35. Okay. So that's where we are. Sorry, that's what we are doing today. So let's go do that. Page 35, combined operations on, what am I saying on? Of fractions. Okay. Okay, so here we go. Combined operations of fractions. All right. Yes, so you will find that on page 35. Now, there are some questions here. How do you perform combined operations of fractions? Now, when we say combined operations, we mean addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. That's what we shall look at today. All four operations shall be done in this fraction. Now, how to perform combined operations on fractions. 1, steps to perform computation of combined operations. First, perform the operations in the brackets first. This is saying if you have a bracket, you should do the fractions in the bracket first. That's the first thing to do. Do the fractions in the bracket. 2, then perform the multiplication or division followed by the addition or subtraction from left to right. Okay, so let's go to the next one here. Yes, so I have the first question here. The first question has both operations, minus or subtraction, and multiplication. Okay, so remember, it says first, you should look at the fraction in the bracket. That's the first thing to do. Look at the brackets. Okay, so in opening the bracket, I have 2 whole number, 1/4 minus 1 whole number, 5/6. This is what I shall do first, okay? So times 8/15. Now, if I want to do this, what's the first thing to do? Look for the LCM of 4 and 6, okay? Now, and also change or convert the mixed fraction to an improper fraction. How to convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction? We know how to convert by now. 2, the whole number, will multiply the denominator and add the result to the numerator. So I have 2 times 4, 8. 8 plus 1, it's 9. 9/4. Minus, similarly, same here. I would say 1 times 6 is 6, plus 5 will be 11/6. Okay, close the bracket, times 8/15. Now, I will check for the LCM. Okay, it's saying convert the mixed numbers to improper fraction. We've done that already. Okay, now let us go. Who can say what will be the LCM of 4 and 6? Who can say what's the LCM of 4 and 6? Who can tell me? What's the LCM of 4 and 6? 12. Who said that? Sorry.
Tanisala.
Okay, Chio. Chio said 12. Okay. So now, what will I multiply 4 by to get 12? Who can say?
3.
3. Okay. So I will have 4 times 3 and also 9 times 3. I want to ask Tankun next. Tankun, what will I multiply 6 by to get 12?
Yes, teacher.
What will I multiply 6 by to get 12?
2.
2. Yes, it will be 2. So it will be 6 times 2 and also 11 times 2. Okay, so close the bracket and outside is times 8 over 15. So what is next here? I would ask Addison, 9 times 3 is what? 9 times 3 is what?
27.
27 over 4 times 3 is what?
12.
12. Okay, this is saying here how to do the LCM of 4 and 6. Tanisara told us it is 12. Okay, so now let's go to the next page. So before we go, Addison told me just now that 9 times 3 is 27 and 4 times 3 is 12. So this first fraction here is 27 over 12 minus bonus. Can you say next fraction? What will be this fraction now?
11 times 2 will become 22. 6 times 2 will become 12.
Okay, thank you. So it'll become 22 over 12. Let's go. So like what Addison said, here is 27 over 12 minus what Bona said, 22 over 12. Okay, so times what, Anada? What's here now? Times what?
8 over 15.
Times 8 over 15. That's awesome. Okay, so now equal to what? What's here? 27 over 12 minus 22 over 12. What's the answer there?
12.
Sorry?
5 over 12.
Thank you. I think that's here. 5 over 12. Okay, so times what? Times what next? Arena, can you say times what? 5 over 12 times what?
5 over 12 times 8 over 8. 15 over 8.
Times 8 over 15, Arena. Times 8 over 15. Okay, so now this is what happens here. This is multiplication. So we will think, look, if a number can divide the numerator of the first fraction and the denominator of the second fraction. Remember, numerator will divide denominator. This is important. You must pay attention to this information. Okay, we have 2 fractions, right? Fraction 1 and fraction 2. Now, this operation is multiplication. It is not subtraction or addition. If it is subtraction or addition, you will look for LCM. Remember, if it is subtraction minus or addition plus, you will look for LCM. But if it is division or multiplication, you will not look for LCM. You cannot look for LCM in division or multiplication. Always remember that. Okay, so now what do we do here? Since no LCM, you would say the numerator of fraction 1 will divide the the denominator of fraction 2, or the denominator of fraction 1 will divide the numerator of fraction 2. So look at the sign, times, multiplication. It's like if you do your hands like this, up will divide down, and down will divide up, okay?
It's opposite.
The opposite, that's the word, okay? Thank you, Piraya. The opposite numbers, okay? Opposite. So the numerator will divide the denominator, and the denominator will divide the numerator, just like that. All right, so let's go. What can divide 5 and 15? Sorry, 5 divided by 5 is 1, right? 5 divided by 15, or 15 divided by 5, it's what?
3.
3, okay, 3. Now let's look at 12 and 8. What can divide 12 that can also divide 8?
4.
3.
Huh?
4.
4, okay, let's go with 4. So 4 will divide 12 to get 3, and 4 will divide 8 to get 2. Okay, so remember, we have here 1 now, because 5 divided by 5 is 1. I don't know, do I have, okay, 5, I like this. 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 5 divided by 15 is 3. Let's go again. 4 divided by 8 is 2, and 4 divided by 12 is 3. So what do I have left? 1 times 2 and 3 times 3. 1 times 2 will give me 2 over 9. Okay, 2 over 9, remember. All right, so that's, therefore, the answer of this is equal to 2 over 9. Do you understand, or do I have to go back again? Should I repeat this? Prasad, do you understand, Prasad? Where is Prasad? Are you there, Prasad? No? Okay, so Emily, do you understand this? Okay, all right. Addison, do you understand this? Okay, all right. So let's go to the next question. So the next question here is 3 whole number 1 over 6 minus 2 whole number 5 over 8. Close the bracket. Divided by 1 over 3. So who can say, what do I do first? Who can tell me what to do first?
Find the
Make number to improper.
Okay, so first I have to do the fractions in the bracket. Okay, and then I have to convert this mixed number to improper fractions. Okay, so let's do that. So I have 3 whole number 1 over 6 minus 2 whole number 5 over 8 divided by 1 over 3. So the first thing is to convert. Emily, if I want to convert 3 whole number 1 over 6 to an improper fraction, what will be the answer?
19 over 6.
Good. I will have 19 over 6 minus, how about 2 5 over 8? What will be the answer?
21 over 8.
21 over 8. That's awesome, Emily. So divide by 1 over 3. Okay. So next will be Piraya. Can you say what will be the LCM of 6 and 8? Piraya. What's the LCM of 6 and 8?
Is 24.
Okay. So the question now, yes, you see what it's saying here. Convert the mixed number to this will be this, and convert this mixed number to improper will be this one. Okay, so next question. What will I multiply 6 by to get 24? Who can say? What will I multiply 6 by to get 24? Pipat, can you say? Pipat. Pipat, can you tell us? What will I multiply 6 by to get 24, Pipat? Oh, Pipat is not there. Okay, so I will go with Emily. Emily, can you say it?
4.
4. So I will have 6 times 4, which is 24. And then I will have 19 times 4. How about 21 over 8? What will I multiply 8 by to get 24?
3.
3. Good. 8 times 3 is 24. So therefore, I would say 21 times 3 over 8 times 3. Close the bracket and have 1 over 3, or divide 1 over 3. Next question. 19 times 4 is what? Who can say? 19 times 4.
76.
76. That's awesome. 76. And 6 times 4 is 24. So we have 76 over 24. How about 21 times 3? Who can say?
63.
53.
Okay, that is 53. Okay, so I will have here 53 over 24. Divide by 1 over 3. Okay, so in the blue corner here, you can see how to do LCM of 6 and 8 there. Okay, we've done LCM before, so I would not waste too much time in this. Okay, so that's the result. The LCM of 6 and 8 is 24, as Piriah said. Okay, so let's go to, so here we have 76 over 24 minus 53 over 24 divide by 1 over 3. Okay, that's what we have here. 76 over 24 minus 63 over 24 divide by 1 over 3. Next question. Who's going to answer this question for me? Chutikan. Is Chutikan there? Chutikan, can you hear me, Chutikan? Chutikan, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so Chutikan, what will I do next? What to do now? Chutikan, what to do now? I would say 76 minus what? Chutikan, 76 minus 24 is what? Can you hear me, Chutikan?
Yes.
Okay, so 76 minus 64, sorry, 76 minus 63 is what? What's the answer? Emily, let's give Chutikan.
13 over 24.
Okay, so Chutikan just got it. She said 13 over 24. Thank you. So I would have 13 over 24. Okay, divide by 1 over 3. But now, listen, look at this operation of divide. Okay, can you listen? The operation divide is changing to times. If divide changed to times, what will happen to 1 over 3, Bonus? Can you say, Bonus? If divide changed to times, what happens to 1 over 3? What will happen?
It will change.
So again, please, did not hear you.
It will change.
It will change. Good. It will change to what? It will change to what? I see Tanisara doing the hands. What is that? Okay. 3. The numerator will go down to the denominator, and now the denominator will go up to the numerator. That's why you have Tanisara doing like she's dancing or some, I don't know. Okay, so the up will go down and the down will go up. Okay, so you remember here, the up was 1/3. Now it's now 3/1. Can you see it? It will change. Down, up, up, down, upside down. Okay, like a somersault. Okay, so now what to do next? Who can say? What to do next? Who can tell me what to do next? I have 13/24 times 3/1. Okay, I would ask, sorry?
Cut the number.
I will cut the numbers. Okay, so what can cut what?
24 can cut with 3.
Okay, so I will have 3, cut 3, or 3 divided by 3, it's 1. And 3 divided by 24 is 8. So what is the answer now? Bonus, what's the answer?
13 with 8.
Okay, 13/8. But it's not finished here. This is an improper fraction. If I want to change back to mixed fraction, what will be the answer now, Emily? What's the answer? Change improper fraction to mixed number.
One whole number.
One whole number.
One whole number over. One whole number 5/8.
Perfect. So one whole number, 5/8. Thank you for that. So the answer now, yeah, convert back. Remember, if you have an improper fraction as your answer, always convert back to the mixed number. Okay, so therefore, the answer of 3 whole number, 1/6, minus 2 whole number, 5/8, divided by 1/3 is 1 whole number, 5/8. Okay, now we have one more here, okay, before we go to our question and answer time. Okay, so I have 2 fractions here, or 2 brackets. I have 2 brackets of fractions here. The first one is 2 whole number, 3/10 plus 8/15, divided by 25/9 multiplied by 9/10. Okay, so we will do the first brackets, okay? So the first bracket there is 2 whole number, 3/10 plus 8/15, okay? And then divide by the second bracket of 25/9 times 9/10, close the bracket. So remember first, I will change or convert. I will convert this mixed number to an improper fraction, which will be 2 times 10, 20, plus 3, 23/10, plus 8/15. I don't need to convert that. That's okay like that. Close the bracket, divide by 25/9 times 9/10. Who can say what will be the LCM of 10 and 15? Who can tell me? What's the LCM of
30.
10 and 15? 30, correct. The LCM of 10 and 15 will be 30. So what will I multiply? There we go. Ignore that first. I will come back to that later. Let's ignore that first, okay? So the LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. What will I multiply 10 by to get 30? Who can say? What will I multiply 10 to get 30? What?
3.
3, good.
3.
So 3, thank you, Chudikan. So I would say 3, Emily. I would say 3 times, I would say 23 times 3 and 10 times 3. Next question. What will I multiply what will I multiply 15 by to get 2? Bonus, can you say? What will I multiply 15 by to get 30?
2.
2. Okay, I did say the answer already. Okay, so I will have 8 times 2 and 15 times 2. Okay, divide by. Now let's go back here. Remember, the operation in the second bracket was multiplication. So like we said, you will divide the top by the down. For example, what can divide 25 that can also divide 10? That is 5. So 5 divided by 25 is 5, and 5 divided by 10 is 2. Now, what can divide 9 that can divide also 9? It's easy, just 9, right? So 9 divided by 9 is 1, and 9 divided by 9 is 1. So who can say now, what will be the answer here? Who can tell me? What will be the answer here?
5 over 2.
Good, 5 over 2. Okay, how about here now? 23 times 3 is what? 23 times 3.
69.
69.
69, that's awesome. So I will have, yeah, this is saying how to do the LCM one more time. Let's just skip all that. So I would say 69 over 30 plus what? What's here? 8 times 2.
16.
16 over 30, correct. So we have 69 over 30 plus 16 over 30 divide by, times, you're correct. Divide by 5 over 2, let's go. So we have 69 over 30 plus 16 over 30, divide by 5 over 2. Next question. 69 over 30 plus 16 over 30 is what, Anada? 69 over 30.
85 over 30.
85 over 30, correct. So I have 85 over 30 times, yeah. Now, if I'm timesing, what happens to 5 over 2, bonus? What happens to 5 over 2?
It will become 2 over 5.
Very good. So it will become 2 over 5. Okay, so next question, Addison, what is the answer now? What can divide 2 that can also divide 30, Addison?
15.
Huh? 2. Let's go. Okay, it's going with 5 and 85. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 5 divided by 85 is what?
17.
Okay, now let's go with 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 2 divided by 30 is what?
15.
15. So therefore, the answer is 17 times 1, which is 17, and 15 times 1 is 15. Now, Tankun, can you change the improper fraction to mixed number?
1 and 2 over 15.
Good. So the answer is 1, 2 over 15, or 1 whole number 2 over 15. So therefore, the answer to this fraction is 1 over 15. Okay, so yeah, in your home activity, you will do this. But let's go to our question time. Okay, question time. You will have about 2 to 3 minutes to do one other question. Let's go through that. Okay, so it is question time here. You can find these questions in your workbook. Okay, that's the number 1 question in your workbook. You have 2 minutes to do this. Go. If you're finished, say I have finished, teacher, or I am finished, teacher. Number 1. Suho number 1/5 minus 1.
Teacher, what weight in workbook?
I cannot say now. No, but you can search for it. It's there.
At 26, teacher.
Okay, page 26. Thank you for that information. Page 26. This is number 1.
I'm done.
Okay, who's that? Sorry.
Isala.
Okay, Tanisara. Wow, that was very fast. Okay, so let's see. I want to get 3 more answers. 3 more answers. Tanisara is done. That was quick and nice. I like that. That was nice. Bonus, faster, please. Tankun, faster. Anada. Oh, Anada, you're slow today. I thought Anada will be finished by now. Yes. Ponyavi, are you there, Ponyavi?
Teacher, I'm done.
Oh, good. That sounds like Tankun. Am I correct? Is that Tankun?
Yes.
Okay, so Tankun and Tanisara are done. Okay, Piraya, come on, faster, Piraya.
Teacher, I'm done.
Oh, Nas is done also. So I have 2 girls.
Teacher.
Who's that, Piraya?
Yes.
Okay, wow. So I have 3 girls.
I am done. I'm done. Teacher, I'm done.
Okay, I am done. This sounds easy. Everybody just finishing. I like that. Okay, so I will go with I will start with okay. Who do I so it's gonna be the one? Yes, Patrolai. What's your answer, Bonus?
My answer is 4/5.
4/5. Good. Tanisara, what's your answer?
Like bonus, teacher, 4, 5.
Okay, Anada, what's your answer? Huh? Okay, Arena, what's your answer?
4/5.
4/5. Good. Tankun, what's your answer, Tankun?
4/5, teacher.
4/5. Piraya, what's your answer, Piraya?
4/5.
Okay, 4/5. All right, let us see if they are all correct. Everyone is saying 4/5. Let us see. Okay, so the answer is 4/5. Okay, so remember, first you will change or convert this mixed number to an improper fraction, which is 2 times 5, which is 10, plus 11 will give you 11/5. Minus, same here, 1 times 15 plus 2 is 17/15 times 3/4. So the LCM of 5 and 15 is 15. So what would you multiply 5 by to get 15 is 3. 5 times 3 is 15. So you have to say 11 times 3, which will also be 33. So next, minus, of course. 15. What would you multiply 15 by to get 15? The answer is 1. So 15 times 1 is 15, and 17 times 1 is 17, times 3/4. Now the LCM, 33 minus 17 will give you 16/15 times 3/4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 4 divided by 16 is 4. 3 divided by 3 is 1. And 3 divided by 15 is 5. So therefore, your answer is 4/5. Okay, good. Let's go to question 2. Question 2 says 5/12 divided by 4/6 plus 6/8. Remember, do the brackets first. Do the brackets first.
Teacher,
Yes?
may I go to the toilet, please?
That's Nawapat, right?
Prasad, not Nawapat.
Oh, Prasad. Prasad and Nawapat used to have the same voice. Okay, Prasad, go. Prasad sounds like Nawapat. Emily, you finished? Yes? Emily, have you finished number 2?
Teacher, may I go to drink water, please?
Okay, you can, please. Drink water, it's important. I just drank my water just now, so it's okay. Five over 12, 4 over 6 plus 6 over 8. The LCM of 6 and 8 is what?
I'm done.
I'm done. Who's that?
Tanisara.
Tanisara is on list number 1 to be finished with math.
I'm done.
I am done. Bonus and Tanisara. Oh, what's happening to Anada today? It used to be Tanisara, Anada, and Piraya. What's happening to Piraya?
I'm about to finish.
Oh, faster, faster. Franklin, Addison, what's happening to Addison? Not hearing anything from Addison. Nawapat, are you there? Wake up, Nawapat. Pipat, huh? Pipat is kind of quiet today. Why is Pipat quiet? Pipat, are you there? Pipat, are you there? Where is Pipat?
Teacher, it have to do in the lowest number.
Of course, you have to divide to the lowest number. Yes, you have to. For example, if your answer is 3 over 6, you have to change it to 1 over 2. Change to the lowest number. Hello, school, I want to eat. Who is that? Sorry.
That is Mark.
That is Mark. Okay. Ponavi, are you there? Ponavi is always not there. I want to ask Ponavi questions. Well,
Teacher, I'm done.
Okay, I am done. That sounds like
Done.
Nawapat. Was that Nawapat? Teacher, I'm done.
No, part.
That was Nawapat. Okay. Yeah. Also, it's Chutikan. Chutikan, are you done, Chutikan?
What is
Sorry, Chutikan, are you done? Again, please.
yes.
Okay, yes, okay. So I will wait for Piraya and Bonus. Bonus, are you done?
Teacher, I'm done.
Okay. Piraya, are you done?
Yes.
Okay, Emily, are you done? Tankun, are you done?
I'm done, teacher.
Okay. Addison, are you done? Addison? Hi. Anada, are you done? Are you done, Anada?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. All right.
Yes.
All right, I got you. I heard you, Anada. Okay. Ponyavi, are you done, Ponyavi? Ponyavi. Okay, so let's go. So I would ask Chio, what's your answer, Chio?
3 and 2 over 5.
3, 2 over 5. Tankun, what's your answer?
4 and 2 over 5.
4, 2 over 5. Okay, so Chio said 3, 2 over 5. Tankun, 4, 2 over 5. Pasharalai, what's your answer?
3, 2 over 5.
3, 2 over 5. Okay, Emily, what's your answer?
3, same Tanisara, teacher.
Okay, 3, 2 over 5. Arena, same Tanisara and Bonus. Arena, what's your answer?
Same with Chio, teacher.
What's your answer to Arena? Okay, I think let's go to the question now. Let's go to the answers. Okay, whoa. The answer here is 5/17. So nobody got it. Wow, why? Anyways, let's see.
I got it.
Who's that?
Hiraya.
Oh, I'm sorry, Piraya. I did not ask for your answer. I'm sorry. What's your answer again? Can you just humor me?
5/17.
5/17. Okay, thank you, Piraya. I'm sorry I did not ask your answer. I'm sorry. Okay. Yes?
I've got ID.
What?
Teacher, was out. My phone was broken.
Okay. So what's your answer? That sounds like Arena. What's your answer, Arena?
For what? 2 and 3/4.
Okay, 2/3/4. Okay, gotcha. Thank you. Thanks for trying. Okay, so let's see what happened. Okay, so the LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. Okay, so remember I said you have to do the bracket first. So 5/12 would not be changed. 5/12, 5/12, 5/12 stays the same. But the bracket of 6 and 8 that's the LCM of 6 and 8 is 12. So what can you times 6 by to get 24? Oh my God. Sorry. The LCM of 6 and 8 is 24, not 12, 24. So what would you multiply 6 by to get 24? The answer is 4. Okay, so 6 times 4 is 24. Therefore, 4 times 4 will be 16 plus. What would you multiply 8 by to get 24? The answer is 3. 8 times 3 is 24, and 6 times 3 is 18. So I have the same LCM or the same denominator now. So I will go ahead and add 16 plus 18. 16 plus 18 will give me 34. Okay, so remember, I have 5/12 divided by 34/24. The divide sign will change to times or to multiply. Okay, multiplication. So if I am going to change the divide to times, what is down will go up and what's up will go down, which is 24/34. Okay, so now 5 cannot divide 34, cannot. So what do? We say 2 divided by 24, it's, let's go with 12 first. Let's go with 12. 12 divided by 12 is 1, and 12 divided by 24 is 2. Who is that? Okay, I will take that again. 12 divided by 12 is 1, and 12 divided by 24, or 24 divided by 12 will be 2. Now let's go to 2. 2 divided 2 is 1, and 2 divided 34 is 17. So therefore, 5 times 1 is 5, and 1 times 17 is 17. Okay, so that's the answer there. I think we have we have a minute more. So let's just see if we can do this. We have 1 more minute, actually. Let's see if we can do this real quick. Can we? What's your answer? Finish, let me know.
I'm done.
Okay, I'm done. That sounds like Chiyo, Sarah. Is that Chiyo, Sarah?
Yes.
Okay. One more. We're out of time, so one more student.
I'm done, teacher.
Okay, that's Piraya, right?
Yes,
Okay. So what's your answer, Piraya?
it's 12.
12. Good. What's your answer, Chiyo?
10.
10. Okay, so let us see if it's correct. 12 is correct. Piraya is on point. Okay, so how did 12 come to be? Of course, 4 over 6 plus change this. 1 times 3 or plus 1 is 4 over 3 plus 11, sorry, I said plus. Divide by 11 over 12 times 6 over 33. So remember, we're going to look at the bracket first. So the bracket, the LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. So 6, what do you multiply by 6 to get 6? Just 1. So I have 4 times 1, which is 4, and 6 times 1, which is 6. What would I multiply 3 by to get 6? It is 2. So 3 times 2 is 6, and 4 times 2 is 8. Now let's come here. This is multiply. So since here is times, I will divide the numerator by the denominator. So 11 into 11 is 1, and 11 into 33 is 3. How about 12? What can divide 12 and 6? The answer is 6. So 6 divided by 6 is 1, and 6 divided by 12 is 2. So what do I have here? 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 times 3 is 6. So going back here, since the denominator is the same, I will add the numerators together. So I have 4 plus 8 is 12 over 6 times 6 over 1. Remember, if it is divide 1 over 6, it will change to times, and then the down will go up and the up will go down. So I have 1 over 6 divide here will change to 1 over 6 over 1 times. And therefore, 6 into 6 is 1, and 6 into 6 here is 1. So what do I have? 12 times 1 over 1 times 1. And 12 over 1 answer is 1. Okay. We don't have time for others, okay? So we will go straight. We're supposed to do this, but you can do it on your own, okay? Do in your workbook. This is question 12 in your workbook. Do it and check if your answer is correct. Then send to me, okay? All right, so this is your home activity. You will do practice question on page, what page is this? Sorry, on page 37, okay? You will do practice question on page 37 and go to your workbook, do pages 26 and 27. Just one activity though, 1 to 12. I think we have done number 1, number 2, 11 and 12. I'm not so sure though, okay? So you will do the others, okay? And send to me. All right, so this is where we'll drop the curtains, okay, for our maths class today. And we will wait till 2:30 where we will study English chest, okay? So please, before we go, is there any question you would like to ask about this maths class? Any question about the maths? There's a part you don't understand? Arena, okay, Tankun's hands is up. Tankun, what's the question?
May I look homework again, please?
Okay, you want to look at the homework page. Okay, I will go back for Tankun. Where is that? Okay, Tankun, can you see it?
Yes, teacher, I can.
Okay, please write. You have like a minute to. Okay, you've taken. Are you done?
Teacher, can I go?
I'm done.
Okay, all right. We're done. You can go. Okay. So please see you by 2:30. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Teacher.
Thank you, students. See you by 2:30. Goodbye.